जुगनी जुगनी हर कोई आखे मैं भी आखां जुगनी है मैं भी आखां जुगनी हाँ मैं भी आखां जुगनी.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope your Ramadan is going great. So today I have created this Eid glam for all of you guys. I hope you guys will like it. I am planning to do another Eid lookbook as well, which I'll do right after filming this introduction. So I hope you guys will like that as well. It's a very easy smoky look that you can carry during the night time glam for Eid. I know most of us really don't like to go heavy during the day, which I totally understand, but this is a smoky eye that you can use during Eid or any other event that you are going to have in future. Very easy, very quick. So I hope you guys will like it. Take care of yourself, and without wasting any time, go ahead and enjoy the video. Let's start, guys. So I'm going to be starting with my eye makeup as usual. So starting with my eyebrows, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel in color taupe. Using an angled brush, you can use any. I'm using Armani's. It should be very precise to get that beautiful shape of your brows. So you can see I started with my arch of my brows, and then I am filling the inner corners of my eyebrows. After my eyebrows, I'm going to be starting with the eye base. For my lid, I'm using NARS Creamy Concealer for my eye base. With my powder, you can use any powder, and these are the three brushes that I'll be using. The first one is for my eye smoky eye, so I'm using a flat brush. For my eyelid, applying a MAC gel eyeliner all over my lid. Make sure you're not going above your crease while applying the eyeliner gel to create the base for that smoky eye. Smoky eye is kind of tricky. You just have to know your boundaries when you're doing it. So make sure you're following my instructions properly, and you will definitely get the best smoky eye. Doing the same on the other eye. If you're a beginner, just do one eye at a time, because gel eyeliner tend to dry really fast, and it might be difficult for you to blend in. Don't worry about the cleanliness or anything at this point. It's okay, you just are like drawing the base for your smoky eye at the moment. And now I'm using a Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the color that I'll be using. It's neither brown nor gray, it's in between. And I'm using my pointed blending brush. You can see the shape. If you have any brush like that, you can get it. And now I'm just going right in there, blending it with my crease and the gel eyeliner together. So I'm using the windshield wiper motion with my brush over here, making sure that there are no harsh lines, and there's a beautiful transition going on with my black gel eyeliner and crease color. Keep on blending, don't worry about it. If you did your eye base lower than your crease, you should be good. So you can see my brush is like right under my crease color, not over it. And now I'm taking a no color blending brush and blending it all over the crease, so there are no harsh lines. Same procedure on the other eye now. So once my transition color is set on both my eyes, I'm going to take the same Dark Magic palette from the Vault collection of Jaclyn Hill and using it all over my lid, but making sure it's not crossing my crease color. Doing the same on the other eye. And I'm now blending the crease with the same crease color that we first took from the Dark Magic palette. Now taking the color Mojo from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid again to give it some more depth. Again, not going to cross the crease color, and we'll blend it with the crease color. I think it's called She, so that there are no harsh lines. Doing the same on the other eye. So once that is done, I'm going to take the blending brush with no color on it and blend all the harsh edges. No, actually I'm adding that gray color that I started my crease color blending with. So yeah. So now that my eye makeup is done, I'm going to start with my face by prepping it with a MAC Prep and Prime spray and strobe cream. If you want that luminosity, you have to have strobe cream underneath your makeup. I am mixing NC25 MAC Mineralized Foundation with highlighter. I'm using a Pakistani beauty brand, Beauty World highlighter, which I really like. It's a very reasonable highlighter, but at the same time it gives you a beautiful highlighted effect. I'm just mixing it with my MAC Fix Plus and applying it, and you can see how beautiful it looks.